Starting a business is exciting. It also requires careful planning. A business plan is your roadmap to success. It helps you define your goals, understand your target market, and secure funding. Think of it as a GPS for your business journey. A well-written business plan helps you make informed decisions. It forces you to think critically about your business idea. It also demonstrates your credibility to potential investors and lenders. A business plan is not a static document. It should evolve as your business grows and changes. Regularly review and update your plan to stay on track. There are two main types of business plans: simple startup plans and professional plans. Choose the one that best suits your needs. A simple startup plan is a concise overview of your business. It covers the essentials, such as your business idea, target market, and financial projections. This plan is ideal for internal use and early-stage businesses. A professional plan is a comprehensive document. It includes detailed information about your industry, competition, and marketing strategy. This plan is often required by investors and lenders. It shows you are serious about your business. Both simple startup plans and professional plans share key components. These sections provide a structured framework for your plan. 1. Executive summary. This is a brief overview of your entire plan. It highlights the key points and should capture the reader's attention. 2. Company description. Describe your business and what makes it unique. Explain the problems you solve and your competitive advantage. 3. Market analysis. Research your target market and industry trends. Identify your competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. 4. Organization and management. Outline your business structure and leadership team. Describe the experience and expertise you bring to the table. 5. Service product line. Detail your offerings and their benefits to customers. Explain your pricing strategy and how you will deliver value. 6. Marketing and sales strategy. Describe how you will reach your target market and acquire customers. Outline your marketing channels and sales process. 7. Funding request if applicable. Clearly state your funding needs and how you will use the funds. Provide a realistic timeline for repayment. 8. Financial projections. Present your financial forecasts, including revenue, expenses, and profitability. Use charts and graphs to illustrate your data. 9. Appendix. Include supporting documents such as permits, licenses, and resumes. This section provides additional information for interested parties. You can easily expand a simple startup plan into a professional plan. Start by adding more detail to each section. Provide specific examples and data to support your claims. For instance, in the market analysis section, include statistics about your target market size and growth potential. In the financial projections section, use industry benchmarks to validate your assumptions. Consider using tools like Canva Pro to create visually appealing and professional documents. A polished presentation can make a significant difference when seeking funding or partnerships. Remember, your business plan is a living document. Review and update it regularly to reflect your progress and adapt to changing market conditions. A well-maintained business plan is a power tool for success. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so others can find us on YouTube.